Hi, I'm Elle from eSpares, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the display PCB in this Hoover washing machine. If you find that the numbers are partially appearing on the display here, it's the display PCB at fault and it will need to be replaced. For this replacement you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver and a 7mm socket. If you don't have the tools you need to complete your repair, we'll pop a link down below in the description to the tools section of our website. Now, safety first, always make sure that your appliance is switched off and unplugged from the mains before carrying out any work. So first things first, you'll need to pull your machine out and turn it around so you can access the back. And we're going to be removing the top panel. So grab your 7mm socket and just remove the 3 nuts underneath this lip here, which hold the top panel in place. Then just slide off the top panel like so. Now you just need to remove the 2 trims from either side by sliding and lifting up. And then just the same on the other side, slide and lift to remove. Then you just need to remove your soap drawer. To remove the control panel, we first need to remove the 2 nuts holding it in place at the top, and then the 2 inside these holes here in the soap drawer housing. So you just need to pull the soap drawer housing back and away from the control panel here, and then just rest it on top. Then before you can remove the control panel, there are 3 clips that are keeping it in place. So there's one just here in the corner, there's another one in the middle underneath the selector switch at the back, and there's a third just tucked down into this corner here. So now we just need to remove the electrical connector that's attached to the display PCB. So just shimmy off this connection here. Now we just need to unscrew these 2 screws here with our Phillips head screwdriver. Then just unclip the clips around the edges to remove the display PCB. And that's it removed. Now you're ready to fit your replacement PCB, and you can find replacements in the description that we'll link below. One thing to note though is you do need to know your model number, especially for this type of part. If you're not sure whereabouts to find the model number on your appliance, just see our video up here on finding the model number on your washing machine, and it will show you where to find the model information so you can get the right part to fit your machine. So pop the display PCB into the bottom clips first of all, as that's the easiest way to do it, and then just go around clipping each clip in individually. So now we just need to replace the 2 screws holding the display PCB in place. With the PCB in place, you can now refit the electrical connection onto the PCB here. Now you can line your control panel up and then just give it a push just to reconnect these clips either side and in the middle as well. Replace the soap drawer housing like so. Now we can replace the 2 screws in the soap drawer housing. And now we can replace the 2 screws on the top here. Pop the soap drawer back in. Replace your side trims by just sliding down and in. Slide your top panel back into place. Lastly, just need to replace the 3 nuts to secure the top panel. And there you have it. The display PCB has been replaced on your machine and the numbers on the display panel are clear once again. If you'd like a bit more information about which different setting to choose for your laundry loads, we've got advice on that too. Just see our video up here on washing machine settings and how to use them. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more repair guides, maintenance tips and all other things eSpares. Thanks for watching.